side. You gotta come on this side so you're on the camera. Oh, mate. Get with the program. You didn't dress like that for nothing. Nah, relax. I won't even put that in there.
Bubble gum fishing.
That's what I gotta deal with for the day. Alright. You alright? Oh my god. Should have filmed the way you just ran there. What type of run was that?
On an adventure.
Oh fuck. I don't know why you're talking like that, you f***ing idiot.
David Attenborough.
Go photo shot down here anyway. Careful you don't slip. Or do so. Or do so or look mad.
You pushed me.
Oh my god. It's not even funny. It's actually not even funny. Hurry up. We only just got out the car. Hurry up, I'm walking off. Man, the flies are already starting to, you know, starting their shit. Enjoy it. You gotta tolerate the flies. I think we're fine because I think we'll go downhill.
Yeah.
Are you? I actually hope you this before. I'm not even joking. You're annoying me. Well, where's your leash? Where's your leash, mate?
Sorry.
No, right? That's what you get. That's what you get. Huh? When you ask people to pat your dog, that's what happens.
Ah, shut up.
Shouldn't have patted it.
Well, had to. Can't put a dog in front of me and not pat it.
Okay. And when it latches onto your wrist. How's your legs feeling, alright? We haven't really done a lot of walking, so you should be alright. If you're whinge, then there's something wrong.
Yeah, keep going. Push it over. Bye. Jordan, who?
Okay, now. Jordan.
Nah, I haven't seen him.
He's still gone. Far out. The joke was over 10 minutes ago. It's like I took a special ed student with me.
Maybe you did.
I'm starting to think so. I'm in action.
Alright.
Alright, I'm in action.
Cut!
I swear, I just hope you slip. It's slippery. It's actually slippery here, so just be careful.
Hey, I'm the entertainer today.
Yeah, we'll see.
Huh?
When you slip and fall, that's entertaining. That's a big ass bone, man. What type of bone do you reckon that is? It's gonna be your pelvic bone if you keep going. What? What did you say? I heard you say something.
I said ASMR, you know? And it's like
What ASMR?
ASMR.
What is that?
ASMR or whatever. Like that relaxing, like listen to the sounds of the waves.
Let me do this. Mate. This is supposed to be soothing. Don't ever bring your missus.
Ah, I'm a hoot.
Yeah, like a hoot. A hoot in the ass. How's that bloke? You better add me on YouTube.
Yeah.
Ask me all these questions, mate, eh? Interrupting my filming. Go down there, see if you can fit. Now you won't even be able to get back up. It'll be slippery, but relax. If you slip down there, relax. Don't worry about it. I was joking. It's not that serious.
Your neck is so burnt.
Is that?
Yeah.
Yeah, the UV today.
Nice and bad.
It's probably why it's itchy, to be honest. I don't think I've ever seen you this focused and calm. No, I'm not even joking.
I told you, I love doing nature stuff.
This is mad. Anytime you keep yapping, this is where I should bring you. You're such a dickhead. Yeah, just water in the bag. Top zip, just make sure you zip it up properly.
Wait, oh, it's these drugs.
Cool story, mate. Top zip, the main zip in the bag.
Come on. Could have started with that.
I said the top zip. I don't know how much more clear I had to be. I'm actually getting itchy.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, full getting itchy. I don't know why. I'm actually getting itchy.
Maybe all the little plant seeds.
I actually don't know. You know when you want to scratch and you know how those dogs scratch and they start having fits? Oh man. So I feel like I need to do a mad scratch. I got an idea.
Sure you make it work.
I will. What's that? It's a mushroom. Take a bite.
Yeah, I can feed that to you.
Yeah, I know. What was her name? Eric Patterson. So that's where she came. Yeah, I gotta take another tab. My eyes are starting now.
You should do it too, though.
Don't worry about that. I'm trying to survive this.
Negative energy.
I'm released, mate, once I take a Zyrtec. As soon as I take a Zyrtec. Just watch out for birds in it's swooping season, but have a look.
What was
There is actually magpies. And I'm not even joking, it is actually swooper
Good,
season.
I hope they swoop you this time for that.
Oh, mine.
Huh?
I got the bag. If I was getting bad, I'll put the thing over my head.
What thing?
The bag.
Oh.
So that'd be swooping at you. I just seen how you reacted to a hat. So, the real deal. You're gonna be in the fetal position on the floor. Far out. Do that face again. Do the face again. People want to see what the face looks like. Yeah, like you're getting deflated. Hurry up. We're on the home stretch.